What's good, y'all? Today's video, I am cruising with these two BMWs in front of me. Modded M3, modded M235i. We're going to an exotic only car show. We're probably not gonna be let into the parking because it is exotics only, but we are gonna have a nice fun drive and see some very cool cars. So if y'all enjoy this video, like, subscribe, comment what you wanna see next time, and let's get into it. Yes, sir. Impeding traffic, let's go. Oh my God. Y'all, we are arriving at the event. We're about to pull in, so cut to that. Let's go look at some cool exotic cars. All right, y'all, we are at the event right now. As you can see, got quite a few cars out here. My buddies did get let in. I didn't. I'm not valid enough, but that's all right, y'all. We're still gonna have fun. Let's go look at some cars. A little 720S right here with the doors up. Ooh, clean little startup. He dropping the top and shit. Nah, that's tough. That is tough. Got this little combo right here. CA06, S650 Mustang. Both got that same like Millennium Jade green looking wrap and the silver wheels. Looks pretty cool. I really like this combo. Got the boys' Beamers right here that we cruised with. Kyle's M3. Pretty clean engine bay. Really clean build all around. Back end of the M3 looks insane though. It has the CSL tail lights, carbon diffuser, quad tipped exhaust, and the all carbon wing right here. I don't know, I love the back end of this car. It looks so nice, so aggressive. And then we got Cormac's M235i. I do like this car a lot. Also really cool. I like that paint match lip. We got this blue RS3 right here. I really like this car. I think it's a super underrated platform in general. I don't know, I think these are super fun cars. Even just the S3 is still really fun. We got this CTSV here, carboned out, bro. Everything's carbon on this car. Pretty cool aftermarket wheels. And then the highlight of this thing, in my opinion, the interior. These Recaro OEM CTSV carbon buckets, which I mean, bro, look at that thing's wild, bro. Really nice interior though. It's pretty cool. I don't know. It's a different car, but I do like it a lot. Back end on it though, I don't really know if I like it. Can't lie. Back end in this car is a little too square for me. I don't really know how to explain it, but it just does not match the front end in my opinion. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at that 750S, brother. That thing is tight. Not bad. But yeah, the 750S is wild, bro. I can't lie. Dude's a race car driver. What a life to live, bro. On the back it says rough life. Dude's a race car driver, has a 750S. I do not think he's rough right now, but I mean, I guess you can always be in a better situation than where you're at right now. But damn, bro, that is a car right there. Holy sh**. James, she's whipping that. Oh yeah. R35, yes sir. Look at that, R35 next to the beast itself. R34. love this car. Actually the GOAT of JDM cars right here, the R34 GTR. All right, y'all, we're heading out. I'm hopping in the Lexus. Pretty good meet, can't lie. A few good cars. There wasn't a lot of cars though, if I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. But overall, pretty fun day, pretty good cruise. Honestly, a cruise was much better than me. Cannot lie, had a really fun time driving here. But that's gonna be it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment what you wanna see next, and I'll see y'all in the next one.